How to be a Shopee live seller. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to be a Shopee live seller. To get started with Shopee Live, open your web browser and search for it. Here, click on the first link that appears, which will be linked with Shopee.com. Then log into your account by adding your email and PIN. Once logged in, click on the live dashboard located in the top right corner to start your live video. Make sure your account and products are well prepared before going live, and don't forget to interact with your audience during the live to increase engagement. You can also set the duration and other details of your live video. Additionally, you can monitor and view your live details to become a successful live Shopee seller. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.